shall we drink kheer?
Chinu, I am so bored. Can you please tell me a story?
A story? Okay, no problem. I will tell you the story of a king. Once upon a time, there was a big kingdom called Rupa Rupa Roo.
What a name! Futta, Raja, come. Let us listen to Chinu's story. The story of Rupa Rupa Roo.
Oh yes, it is a funny name. The king and queen of Rupa Rupa Roo were very unhappy because they did not have a baby. Then one fine morning, the queen gave birth to a beautiful princess. The king was very happy. He called his minister and asked him to feed kheer to all the people in the kingdom. The minister said, "Sure, my lord, but we need 1,000 liters of milk for that. We need to collect milk from all the cows in the kingdom." The king said, "I don't know how you will do it, but I want to feed kheer to everyone. I am very happy."
Stop, Chinu. How much is 1,000 liters? Is it a lot?
Yes, Buzz. You don't even know this?
Oh, Chinu, don't tease Buzz. Come, Buzz. I will tell you. Look, this is our measuring can. Papa measures milk with this.
I know. I have seen him measure milk with this. But how much milk is there in this can?
Buzz, when this can is full, it has 1 liter of milk.
1 liter of milk? I have seen the milkman in the village. He also measures milk with this.
Now I will pour milk into these glasses. One glass can hold 250 milliliters of milk.
But why have you kept 2 glasses?
Buzz, if one glass can hold 250 milliliters of milk, how much of milk can 2 glasses hold?
I know, I can add very well. It is 250 plus 250. That is 500. Oh, that is 500 milliliters.
That's right. We drink 2 glasses of milk each every day.
Neenu, you drink 500 milliliters of milk and Chinu also drinks 500 milliliters of milk every day. So, both of you together drink 500 plus 500 is equal to 1000. That is 1000 milliliters of milk.
I know. 1000 milliliters is 1 liter. So, both of you together drink 1 liter of milk every day.
That's right, Buzz. Now give me that stick. I will tell you how we write liters and milliliters. We write L for liter, and ml for milliliter. So we write 1 liter like this. We write 500 milliliters like this. You can also say 500 ml.
500 ml.
That's right, Buzz. But I can't drink 500 milliliters of milk. I can drink only 200 milliliters of milk. It is less than this glass of milk.
Oh, that's 50 milliliters less than this glass of milk.
Oh, you are getting smart, Buzz. You did that very fast. How did you do that?
Meenu, you asked me to do it in my mind. That's what I did. This glass can hold 250 ml. Futta can drink only 200 ml. So, it is 250 minus 200, which is equal to 50. That is 50 ml.
Very good. That's right. Do you know that Raja drinks 100 ml of milk every day?
Oh, Raja, do you like milk? Futta drinks 200 ml of milk and you drink 100 ml of milk.
So Raja drinks half of what Futta drinks.
But how?
Futta drinks 200 milliliters and Raja drinks 100 milliliters. Half of 200 is 100.
Oh, now I know. 2 times 100 is 200. So, half of 200 is 100.
Do you know if Raja drinks 100 milliliter of milk every day, he will drink 1 liter of milk in 10 days?
Oh, Futta, what are you saying? You are saying funny things.
No, Buzz. Futta is not saying anything funny. Raja drinks 100 ml of milk every day. So, in 10 days, he will drink 10 into 100. That is 1000. He will drink 1000 milliliters of milk, which is 1 liter of milk.
Oh, like that. Now I know. But I can't drink so much milk. How much of milk can I drink, Meenu?
Buzz, you are very small. You can drink only 1 ml of milk.
Buzz, that's just like a drop. You drink so little.
But if 1000 bees drink 1 ml of milk each, we will all together drink 1 liter of milk. Look at that beehive. There are thousands of bees there.
You are right, Buzz. If there are 1000 bees and each of the bee drink 1 milliliter of milk, it will be 1 into 1000. That is 1000 milliliters of milk, which is equal to 1 liter of milk.
So there are different ways to add up to 1 liter. Let me write it now. It can be 500 milliliters plus 500 milliliters. It can also be 700 milliliters plus 300 milliliters.
Let me also write. It can be 200 milliliters plus
300 milliliters.
I will write now. $400 milliliter plus 400 milliliter plus 200 milliliter. It can also be 750 milliliter plus 250 milliliter.
I am not going to write. I feel like having honey. I am going to have lots of honey. I will drink 5 ml of honey.
I am also thirsty. I am going to drink water.
Chinu, how much of water do you drink in a day?
I drink 1 liter of water every day. Ma says that we should drink 1 liter of water every day to keep healthy.
Yes, even I drink 1 liter of water every day. Oh, our cow is moving. I think she is thirsty. Come, let us give her some water to drink.
Meenu, how much of water does she drink?
Oh, she drinks 10 liters of water every day.
I'm back. The honey was very sweet today.
Children, come here. Can someone help me with these eye drops?
Oh, yes, Grandma. Let me put it in your eyes.
Just put 1 drop, Meenu.
Grandma, are your eyes paining?
Yes, Buzz. A little bit. I will be fine.
Okay, Grandma. Let me put it. I have put 1 drop in each eye.
Thank you, Meenu. It feels good now.
Meenu, so you put 1 ml of eye drops.
A little less than 1 ml, Buzz. We can't have lots of medicines. When I had a cough once, the doctor gave me cough syrup. He gave a bottle which had 30 ml of syrup. He asked me to have it once a day for 6 days.
Oh, so you had 5 milliliter every day. Oh, Buzz, wait. I will tell you how. It is 30 milliliter divided by 6. That is 5. So Meenu had 5 milliliter every day.
Oh, look at Raja. His legs are dirty. Chinu, shall we clean him with water?
Raja, come here. Let me wash your legs.
Oh, so much of water. We use more than 1 liter of water to clean you, Raja. Meenu, how much of water do you use to have a bath?
I use half a bucket. Our bucket holds 20 liters of water. So I use 10 liters of water to have a bath.
I use 1 full bucket of water to have a bath.
So, you use 20 liters of water. Chinu, you waste so much water.
Chinu, you should not waste water. Try and use less water to have a bath.
Oh, I'm hungry. I am going to the kitchen. Come, let us all eat something.
Oh, look at this bottle. It has 1 liter of oil.
Oh, Ma has bought packet milk today. It is a 500 milliliter packet.
Oh, it's heavy. I can't carry it. I can't even carry Grandma's eye drops bottle. Look, it has only 10 ml of medicine.
I can carry this oil bottle and milk packet, but I can't carry a full bucket of water. It is too heavy for me.
Look, Ma has an empty 1 liter bottle. Let us fill it with water. I will use this small glass. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10.
You have used 10 glasses of water to fill this 1 liter bottle. So, each glass holds 100 milliliter of water.
I know 1 liter is 1000 ml. I used 10 glasses. So it is 1000 divided by 10. That is 100. So each glass holds 100 ml.
Look at this glass. It is bigger. First, let me empty this bottle. Now, I will fill it with this glass. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 glasses of water. So each glass holds 1000 divided by 5. That is 200. So each glass holds 200 milliliters of water.
Let me empty the bottle and try filling it with this glass. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 glasses. It is 1000 divided by 4, which is equal to 250. So it is 250 milliliters. Each glass can hold 250 milliliters of water.
Oh, Chinu, what happened in the story then? Did the people of Rupa Rupa Ru get to have kheer?
Oh yes, they did. The minister collected 1000 liters of milk from the kingdom and gave it to the cooks. They made very sweet kheer and everyone had the kheer and the whole kingdom was very happy. The little princess also gave a sweet smile.
It is such a small story, Chinu, But I learned all about liters and milliliters today. I also feel like having kheer now. Come, let's ask Grandma to make kheer for us. Friends, do you also like kheer? You can come to our house and Grandma will give you very sweet kheer.
Friends, did you also enjoy learning about liters and milliliters today? You can also measure water and find out how much of water different glasses can hold. But use water carefully. Do not waste water. I will also not waste water anymore.
Yes, if you find any tap leaking or water getting wasted, please close it. Water is our friend. Please take good care of it. Shall we add to make 1 liter? Dash plus dash plus 200 milliliters is equal to 1 liter. $500 milliliters plus 300 milliliters plus 200 milliliters is equal to 1 liter. Or 600 milliliters plus 200 milliliters plus 200 milliliters is equal to 1 liter. Or 400 milliliters plus 400 milliliters plus 200 milliliters is equal to 1 liter. Or 700 milliliters plus 100 milliliters plus 200 milliliters is equal to 1 liter. Dash plus dash is equal to 1 liter. $750 milliliters plus 250 milliliters is equal to 1 liter. $800 milliliters plus 200 milliliters is equal to 1 liter. 100 milliliters plus 400 milliliters is equal to 1 liter. Five hundred milliliters plus 500 milliliters is equal to 1 liter. Seven hundred milliliters plus 300 milliliters is equal to 1 liter. Five hundred milliliters plus dash plus dash is equal to 1 liter. Five hundred milliliters plus 250 milliliters plus 250 milliliters is equal to 1 liter. Five hundred milliliters plus 400 milliliters plus 100 milliliters is equal to 1 liter. Or 500 milliliters plus 300 milliliters plus 200 milliliters is equal to 1 liter. Will you help Buzz find the answers? Ma boils 800 milliliters of milk. Chino drinks 300 milliliters. Mino drinks 250 milliliters and Futta drinks 100 milliliters. How much of milk is left? 300 plus 250 plus 100 is equal to 650. 800 minus 650 is equal to 150. $150 milliliters of milk is left. Radha auntie has a tea shop. She uses 30 milliliters of milk for each glass of tea. She makes 100 glasses of tea every day. How much of milk does she use? $30 into 100 is equal to 3,000. 3,000 milliliters. That is 3 liters. Radha auntie uses 3 liters of milk every day. Sahil is down with fever. The doctor gave him a 50 ml medicine bottle and asked him to have it for 10 days. How much medicine should he have every day? 50 divided by 10 is equal to 5. Milliliters. Sahil has to have 5 milliliters of medicine every day.